Struggling to find what you need in your trunk at night? Today we are fixing that by installing a LED light in the rear trunk of our Ford Focus Mk4 to make sure we are never left in the dark again. The LED light I got has a motion and light sensors, so if I open the trunk during the day it won't turn on, but if I open it at night the light will automatically turn on. It has built-in magnets, so for metal surface you just attach the light. For any other surface it has stick-on adhesive metal plates. You attach the metal plates and then you attach the light. There are 3 modes: auto, on and off, and it is rechargeable with Type-C cable. Let's test how it works before we install it. We turn off the light and as you can see, the LED light turns on for about 20 seconds. Once we turn on the room light, the LED light will automatically turn off after 20 seconds. The installation is really simple and there is no need to mess around with complicated wiring at all, as it has embedded battery. Just find a good spot on the trunk and attach it. After that, press the button once to enable auto mode. I attach the metal plates onto the light, remove the adhesive tape and then stuck it on the plastic surface. I install it on the left side, opposite to the existing Ford light, so that it illuminates the side of the trunk as well. Let's see how it works. As you see, once I open the trunk, the motion light sensor activates and the LED turns on. I will cover the sensor with my hand to turn off the light and compare how it looks without any additional lighting. It's like emulating when the trunk is closed. Give it a try in your car and let me know your thoughts in the comments along with the LED light that you use. Once I remove my hand from the sensor and the light turns on, the difference is significant. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Stay tuned for the next video with a 1000 km road trip with Ford Focus.